So my name is Ronald Timmermans. I work at MI Partners as a sales director. My impression is that he is a. My impression is that Mark is a by let's say by background a true software engineer, and that has let's say evolved his presentation skills and is now, let's say, transferring his experiences to other colleagues who are also in mostly in engineering, and helping them become better presenters. Today's workshop was really energizing, and I was really astonished about how much you can learn in one day. It was really, to me, a surprise that all the things that we were able to reverse and practice and leave at the end of the day so much better presenter than when we started. For me, it was the first time experience that I ever had a training where I learned so much in just one day.